Alex Vega with CTS. The main difference I'm noticing with the mud that I like is that it's malleable and it's easier to work with for a longer period of time. I don't have to stand around and, you know, worry about it setting up on me, and I don't gotta worry about anything. It's cool. I like it a lot. You know, it's fun to work with.
It was nice and creamy, and that's a good thing.
Good.
When it's nice and creamy, it lets us work better.
When you look at it dropping out of the hose, it's already creaming as it comes out of the hose. So it appears from standing here watching it, it acts like the workability is as good as normal concrete with a higher slump.
It buys us time for the condition that we have out here with the wind,
Okay.
and that's gold. That's perfect.
So getting out to the job site and seeing the concrete come out of the truck, and you can tell a difference right when it comes out, the cohesiveness of it, the workability of it. There's a noticeable difference. The guys that were working the concrete were able to get it around the form really easily, so that was noticeable there.
It's actually going really smooth. It's curing nice, and it's got that nice consistency on top. The guys aren't complaining about it. It's workable and it's coming out right out of the chute.
Good.
Don't really see any issues.
Good.
It's actually setting really nice right now.
As far as I'm concerned, as a superintendent, I've heard all good things. It looks like it's creamy, you know. The guy out there floating it and working it says it's good.
So far, everything is looking good. The installation seems to be going really well. Everybody likes the material.
So I haven't heard any complaints from our finishers at all. Everyone's getting on it. No one said anything. A comment from the inspector was it was a 3.5-inch slump, and then the pump operator's telling us it's pumping like a 5-inch slump. No pressure in the pump. It's just at an idle and pumping plenty.
Yep.
That's green.
That's a cream?
Yeah. Nice concrete.
Good.
I like it.
It's pretty blown away.